Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, October 18th. Seeing some chilly conditions as well as crisp, clear skies out there this morning. We do anticipate these mostly sunny skies to continue throughout today and throughout most of tomorrow as well before we get a return to some rain early Saturday. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, highs around the region yesterday hovered around 70 degrees. Here at Wallops, we got to a high of 69. Early this morning, we did see some fairly cool lows around the region this morning, ranging from near 40 degrees up into the mid 50s. Here at Wallops, we got down to a low of 46. As of 9 a.m., seeing some chilly temperatures out there today. Most locations hovering around 50 degrees. Here at Wallops, we're at 51, and we are expected to remain below 60 degrees today for our high. So a rather chilly day out there. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning. Seeing some more northerly winds at the surface, just above the surface. We are seeing those winds a little bit higher, running around 25 knots or so up to 6,000 feet, and then they turn more northwesterly, running between 33 knots to 45 knots, between 6,000 and 9,000 feet, and then increasing quite a bit to 65 knots at that 16,000 foot level. And then when we get up to the 25,000 foot level, winds are a little bit more zonal, running at around 85 knots with a very low freezing level this morning, from compared to what we have been seeing, down to 3,500 feet. Taking a look at our satellite loop here this morning, we are seeing mostly sunny skies, some upper level cirrus clouds across far southern portions of Delmarva. Those will continue to slowly drift south, so still going to be mostly seeing just some mostly sunny skies today, perhaps a couple of fair weather cumulus clouds, but otherwise more of what we've been seeing this morning. Those northerly winds are going to shift more northwesterly towards late this morning, around the 9 to 14 knots throughout much of the day, and then becoming light and variable overnight. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see that large area high pressure that is dominating the eastern half of the country this morning. That high pressure is going to continue to migrate eastward, and by tomorrow morning it looks like it's going to be centered right over the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to really help to give us some nice clear skies as well as some very calm winds. That's going to help create an even chillier morning than we saw this morning. Temperatures down to the mid-30s across central portions of Delmarva, down to near 40 degrees here at Wallops. So taking a look at our forecast planners today, going to see that high pressure just slowly move eastward, keeping these skies nice and clear with that cool air mass in place. And as we go into tonight, that high pressure is going to set up across the mid-Atlantic, and by tomorrow morning, seeing that center of that high directly over the mid-Atlantic, helping to give us those nice calm winds for a cold morning tomorrow. By the time we move into Friday evening, we are going to see the high pressure weaken and move east of the area. That's going to help to turn those winds more southwesterly, so we will see those temperatures a little bit warmer tomorrow compared to what we're going to see today, as those winds shift in the late afternoon hours. And then we are going to be seeing our next front approach the area Friday night, and that's going to give us just some light rain showers late Friday night after midnight and into Saturday morning. Could be seeing a chance for some rain showers throughout the day Saturday, but the best chances are going to be before noon, with mostly cloudy skies still expected for the Saturday afternoon time frame before we get another round of high pressure clearing things out for Sunday. Taking a look at our weather chart for today. No weather hazards on the map today. Going to just be seeing those winds increase to around 9 to 14 knots in the northwest this afternoon, then becoming fairly light in the overnight hours and pretty calm by the pre-dawn hours of Friday. Looking at a high of 57 today, low of 41 for here at Wallops tomorrow morning. Looking at our terminal forecast, just going to be seeing a few clouds near 4,000 feet throughout the day. That cirrus that is to the south of the region is going to continue to drift off and will eventually not be a factor either, becoming perfectly clear as we go in towards the early evening hours, possibly seeing a few upper level cirrus cloud move to the area towards later in the night and then early Friday morning. Taking a look at tomorrow's forecast here, going to be looking at mostly sunny skies once again. It's going to be more seasonable. We're going to be seeing a high of 64 tomorrow with that those winds turning southwesterly and that front approaching. Going to be seeing clouds increase later in the day and into the evening. Friday night, that's when we're going to see that front start to impact the area, giving us some scattered rain showers, mainly after midnight. We're also going to be seeing some overcast skies, and we're going to see that pressure gradient tighten up with that frontal passage as well. That's going to help to pick up the winds a bit, pushing us near wind advisory levels. It's Going to see a more mild low Friday night of 58. Then Saturday, going to be seeing those winds more southwesterly throughout the day. That'll help to bump up the temperature close to 70 degrees. Going to be seeing mostly cloudy to overcast skies. That chance of rain is going to mainly be before noon, but still could be seeing some isolated shower activity in the afternoon as well. And still going to be seeing a chance for some slightly breezier winds throughout the day. Taking a look at our extended forecast here. As we go past Saturday, after that rain moves in, Sunday is going to be pretty similar to today with that high pressure moving in. It is going to be a little bit breezy Sunday morning and possibly into Sunday afternoon as high pressure builds in, tightening that pressure gradient up. But that's going to usher in another cool and dry air mass. So expecting partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for Sunday with a cool high of 57. Still expecting some cool temperatures and mostly sunny skies for Monday, only looking at a high of 60. That high looks to be centered pretty close to or centered right over the mid-Atlantic Monday morning. Once again, it's pretty similar to how tomorrow morning is going to pan out. So we're going to expect another very cold low Monday morning near 40 degrees here at Wallops, possibly a little cooler in more central portions of the Delmarva. And then Tuesday, going to be seeing the high pressure pretty much dominate, expecting a seasonable day Tuesday in the mid-60s. And then Wednesday, still going to be seeing high pressure in control across the region, high near 60 degrees. And then a chilly low for Wednesday morning in the 40s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.